Did you know 5 men with military weapons turned a simple bank robbery into the most violent shootout in police history? On May 9, 1980, in Norco, California, heavily armed robbers in military fatigues stormed Security Pacific Bank. They came prepared for war with homemade bombs, automatic rifles, and thousands of rounds of ammunition loaded in getaway vehicles. The initial robbery went smoothly until police arrived expecting ordinary criminals. Instead, they found themselves facing a small army using military tactics and superior firepower. What followed was a 44-minute running gun battle through suburban streets. Over 30 police cars were destroyed as officers desperately commandeered civilian vehicles to continue the chase. The criminals shot at everything that moved, turning quiet neighborhoods into war zones. Police were so outgunned, they had to raid a local gun store for higher caliber weapons. The massive helicopter chase ended with one final deadly shootout. This single robbery changed police training nationwide forever. The surviving robber received life in prison for turning suburbia into a battlefield.